Welcome to Betty's Cooking Channel. Today I'm preparing for you a tuna salad. Around Super Bowl time, I kind of like tuna salads as one of the side dish. So that's what I'm going to do today. So let's get started. I have 1 clove of garlic that I chopped up, a half a cup of celery I chopped up. I have 1 boiled egg. I have a half a onion I chopped up. I have a 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. I will be using mayo, and I will be using 2 cans of tuna for this recipe and a pinch of stevia. I'm using a half a lime. I'm using 2 5-ounces of tuna. So I'm going to go ahead and add it to the bowl. I add a pinch of stevia. I add the onions. Salt and pepper. Parsley. Celery. Squeeze of 1 lemon. I'm going to cut the egg up into very small pieces. Two tablespoons of mayo is enough for 2 cans of tuna. If you like this video, like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. Have a wonderful day. Hi, I'm gonna taste my tuna that I just made earlier. It is so good.